The truth about foundation repair warranties. And the reason you're going to hear the truth is because I'm sick and tired of getting a runaround. For 30 years in this market on my house, it's an old house, my foundation has gone up and down, and I've had different people work on it and different warranties that maybe they, warrantied it for me, and maybe they said no, it's not under warranty anymore. A real fight and a real struggle, and all I want to do is a level house. And so Mike Minter is the owner of Falls Foundation Repair right here in Wichita Falls. He does foundation repair all over the area, and I've found he's got the truth about foundation repair warranties, and I invite you to kind of tell us today what are some of the pitfalls when we're looking for a foundation repair warranty, and what are some of the ways, to make sure that we're getting what we paid for.
Adam, the truth about foundation repair warranties is the warranty is only as good as the people at the office. When we talk about warranties, we're talking about a piece of paper. And that piece of paper is as good as the people who are going to stand behind that piece of paper, who are going to show up when things happen. Yeah. Now let's face it, we give a lifetime transferable warranty, as well as most foundation repair companies in our business give a lifetime warranty. And the reason we give a lifetime warranty, this is the reason, is because it works. However, things happen. Things break. And when they do, what's going to happen? Who's going to stand behind them? What are we going to do? We pride ourselves on the fact that when you call us, that we're going to show up for that warranty evaluation as quickly as we do for the evaluation on the first call for the sales call. We also, as a company, have a warranty assumption program. That warranty assumption program was put in place because of companies that went out of business originally. We found that there were a lot of real estate transactions that people were trying to sell a home or buy a home, and they thought they had a lifetime transferable warranty, only to find out that that company was no longer in business. They would call us and have us go take a look at it, and maybe they need to adjust a couple of piers. They may have originally had 20 piers put on the home, but 2 of them need to be adjusted. We're happy to go out, adjust those 2 piers, and assume the warranty on the rest of it. There is a fee involved for that, but it's a very competitive fee, far better than having to buy a brand new warranty or brand new foundation repair. Now, let's talk about some of the companies and how they go about, let's call it wiggle out of their warranty. You'll find that there is no one anywhere saying that we wiggled out of any warranty. We stand behind our warranty as best we possibly can on every situation. But let's say you've had a uncomfortable conversation with someone that repaired your foundation, and they're saying that you had issues with maybe a sprinkler system, a head get knocked off a sprinkler, maybe you had a plumbing leak, and most typically what we hear is you don't have gutters on your house. If you've had those types of conversations and you're simply just not willing to go forward with the contractor that you've used, we would love to talk to you about the warranty assumption program that we have. We have the right men, the right craftsmen, and we have the right equipment to come out, look at your property, evaluate it, make any necessary adjustments, and assume their warranty, as well as put into effect in a warranty that will go forward throughout the lifetime of the home.
I got to tell you guys, this is the 20th year for Home Sweet Home TV show, and I've never seen as strong of a warranty for any of the sponsors or any other business in the area. And I've been looking around for a long time. That is an amazing, strong warranty offer. And I feel good that I'm helping you guys find this, because we talked about at the beginning of the segment, we all are going to need some sort of foundation repair at some point in our lives. The newer houses, it's not so bad, but there's a lot of gorgeous older homes that are going to be here for another few decades, and it's going to need a little lift and a little help and a little warranty work. Mike, thank you so much for helping us figure that out. The truth about foundation repair warranties, that's gonna help us all. We'll see you soon.